you all good. Welcome to my channel. This is my friend Isabel.
Hi kids.
She's gonna help me to make the American cookies. Let's do it. Children, you need a bowl. A spatula or a wooden spoon, whatever you want. A mug to match the ingredients. And a baking tray. The wet ingredients are brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, butter, eggs, the dry ingredients are salt, baking soda, all-purpose flour, and also 2 chocolate bars. Let's do it. Let's start with the wet ingredients. In the bowl, you add melted butter, one cup of brown sugar, now we're gonna measure 2 cups of white sugar. The second cup of white sugar. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 2 eggs. 1, 2. Now let's mix till everything is combined. Nice, fluffy, and combined. Now the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1, 2. Half teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix all the ingredients. When the dough is like this, finally we add the chocolate. The chocolate bars are broken into pieces. Children, we're making big balls to make big cookies. Children, look at this giant cookie. Yummy. That's it for now. Bye.